In 1933, the U.S. Supreme Court settled a long-standing border dispute between Vermont and New Hampshire, ruling that the Connecticut River belongs to New Hampshire and Vermont's border ends at the riverbank. This decision, which came after decades of disagreement between the two states, had significant implications for their respective jurisdictions and natural resources. The case originated in 1915 when Vermont sought to tax islands in the Connecticut River that it claimed were part of its territory. New Hampshire objected, arguing that the entire river and its islands belonged to the Granite State. The dispute eventually made its way to the Supreme Court, which heard arguments in 1932 before issuing its ruling the following year. In a unanimous decision, the court sided with New Hampshire, establishing that the state's border extends to the western bank of the Connecticut River. This meant that Vermont lost its claim to the islands and any resources found within the river itself. The ruling also clarified the jurisdictional boundaries between the two states, with Vermont's authority ending at the river's edge. The 1933 Supreme Court decision put an end to a century-old conflict between Vermont and New Hampshire over the Connecticut River. While the ruling favored New Hampshire, it provided much-needed clarity on the state's respective borders and jurisdictions along this important waterway.